Post the wall. I want man the music name killer. The whole wanna come now.
So today we are going to talk about Bounty Killer crave the media attention, and we are going to expose Bounty Killer personality. It fit right in our going right now in a social media. And how other artists, probably like Beenie Man, some of the things that I'm going to say, it can apply to Beenie Man and other 90s artists where would I normally see Vybz Kartel having vloggers them and Vybz Kartel naming a title every day. So I'm going to tell you how Bounty Killer willfully and skillfully I keep him name in the algorithm. I'm DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk, and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And you know how it go? If anything me talk throughout the video, a Real Talk me I make, you just like the video, subscribe if a Real Talk me I make, and definitely share the video if a Real Talk me I make, you see me? And the link to the PayPal me I go pin it in the comment. If you can afford it, shot me a dog food if a Real Talk me I make. So, before me even talk about this and go no further, I make a disclaimer. Getting talk about and hungry for clout and keeping a name in the algorithm does not get you shows, it does not make your music sell. It only make people talk about it. So let me just get that out of the way before me even talk or me talk say. So Bounty Killer, this is his personality. Like who I forward from over my main channel, DJ Dreadbeard React, and here when me play the outro them when him at this Movado. So me I go show you how in a recent post when him say yo the whole I wanna come for me now. And back then, he must say, the whole I want to come for me now in the outro. This is Bounty Killer personality, you know. Like him say some things on the track and him diss about people and him hopefully say them react and then get everybody rowdy. You see me? Yeah. A theme personality this. So when you see him do this on social media, him finally get a foot in and him don't want to take back out him foot. When him say, yo, every day people are go at him. I remember me telling you in our previous video, say, even if a negativity, the people them crave the algorithm, them not care if a negativity, them in it for. That's why you hear me telling you, say, people they even pay pretty than for talk about them and put them in our book and this them and thing. You see me? Yeah, but what all of them have in common, Empire. Yeah, but what all of them have in common for the inner the algorithm, them down the inner the algorithm by them own, you know. All of them have to go against Vybz Kartel for the inner the algorithm. Masicka, we know Masicka as a youth where him not to deal with the media, and since of lately, Masicka named the inner title, whole heap. Before that, Masicka named the inner title. Always Alkaline named them in a title, and you see me? Now, Bounty Killer name there in every title. Right now, tomorrow, me sure say I got see Bounty Killer name in a title. People are talking about Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer like him. Love them something here. Him enjoy it. It's a kind of clout. It's a kind of false sense of relevance. And them always Vybz Kartel do it like Vybz Kartel out there. Him have him vloggers them. People talk about Vybz Kartel since YouTube. Since dancehall YouTube and dancehall vlogging is a thing. I think dancehall vlogging was created because of Vybz Kartel. Like, people just talk about Vybz Kartel since vlogging start. Like, that's one of them first topic. So, throughout the time Vybz Kartel they are prisoner up until now, every day Vybz Kartel then at the YouTube algorithm. So, someone like Killer and them man away, them not have no vloggers and them would have go up on YouTube and not be a Vybz Kartel and Alkaline people are talking about every day. Vybz Kartel, Alkaline. Some of them want a piece of this. Some of them see there's something there and one piece side. So when him see say him name reaching at the algorithm because probably him bad mind and him say what him say and him a show him true colors and people start put him name in a title say yo Bounty Killer said this and Bounty Killer versus the Gaza Nation. You see when him see this is why him not stop. This is why you see him not stop like every other day or every day him repost something or him there on Instagram at this Vybz Kartel brawling at this the Gaza Nation brawling. Go suck your mother, make me soon come for me now. At the same thing him did I say in the distract them wanna come for me now. Make me see what I wanna come for me now.
Bumbo Clout, I mean say shoot and kill. War of a start, no. Any pussy no answer, bury yourself. Remember me tell you Batty boy. One warlord and one ground Godzilla. Pussy wall, I want man the music name killer. The whole wanna come now.
This is his personality, bro. So if him catch this on social media, him nah let it go because him fit in. The tracing thing, remember people always tell us Killer love trace. Yeah, I eat this, so him and the Gaza Nation I got trace. Well, I don't know if the Gaza Nation I trace, but him a trace. And the Gaza Nation I diss him. It's not new, this not new to Killer. What is new to Killer is the social media part. where him finally get in the algorithm. And him love that. The same thing with Beenie Man now, like Beenie Man with the king thing now. But it's a Beenie Man never want to let it go. Yeah, you start to Beenie Man on the internet more often now, and Beenie Man tell us say him not use phone, but all of a sudden, since Vybz Kartel touch road, Beenie Man love phone. And the first you ever see Beenie Man and Bounty Killer so much in the media, like them never know say them could have used social media all along. Them finally know say yo, them can use the social media thing and I love it, you know. Yeah, and all of this, as I say, you can't do it by your own. There's always the common denominator in all of this social media thing for your name there in a title and for your name there in the algorithm. You have to put it against Vybz Kartel. Alkaline first know that. Alkaline have the blueprint the way you put your name side of Vybz Kartel and your name go in the algorithm. Your name go there in a people title. And now we see Masicka take it over from Alkaline. You hardly see Alkaline name in a title again. So Masicka thief the playbook there from Alkaline. You see me? It is a Bounty Killer them I use right now. The same Alkaline blueprint where you this Vybz Kartel and your name in the algorithm, but it don't relate to sales and concert because you would have see him not get no concert. You would have see Bounty Killer even a try dig up back some old song and I tell us say me see him dig up one song with him and Baby Sham. And like him I said, the song I never get the right recognition and something, you see me? So him probably thinks say him name in a title every day and talk about it I go relate in a sales. Probably him think that. So him a try a thing, but yeah man, this not relating a sales and a killer. And just the vloggers them I make money off of it. Same thing with footer hype. Footer hype now make no money off of what am I doing now. And the vloggers they make money off of it, you know. So uno still I get the business part of social media wrong. You see me? So footer hype get the business part of social media wrong cause him old school. Bounty Killer them old school. You see me? So them not understand say yo, I just a vlogger wanna do this for. Every day you wanna get up on this Vybz Kartel on Instagram, I'm gonna screenshot what you say and put it in a title and talk about it. Me do it, every other vlogger do it. And what you know is you not do it like Vybz Kartel, you know. Because Vybz Kartel not do nothing for people talk about him. Vybz Kartel just do him do normally and people talk about him. What you do is you chase Clout. You chase the algorithm. Because tell me why Bounty Killer lily down himself that's him go over JA radio and him explain himself why him and Gaza Nation go at it. Like tell me which artist I ever hear explain himself. You really think say I go see Vybz Kartel go on no platform explain himself to nobody? Explain himself to the fan base why this and why that. For years now, Vegas have allegation out there say Bounty Killer and underage girl. And you ever see Bounty Killer go up on a JA radio and clear it up? But Bounty Killer feel the importance and chase the cloud so much that him send out a voice note to explain why him and Gaza uncle go at it and him not really go at the fans them but really Gaza uncle him go at and cartel. Bro, Bounty Killer is a legend, you know. And him reduce himself to a voice note to clear up why him and Gaza Nation go at it. So if you were this person where you love clear up things, why you not go on JA radio and clear up the bird paper, bro? It's simple because of the Clout you chase and the Vybz Kartel name in it and you see me? Yeah, that is the reason why I do it. To keep a name in a YouTube algorithm. Yo, let me teach you something. Let me show you say, enough of them something I do some envy and some red eye and Mr. Vybz Kartel I do it. I want to know how it feel for the inner the algorithm something. Remember say every other day you see somebody I do some challenge to Vybz Kartel song over TikTok, you know. Whether the whole song or the new song. You know see nobody I do no challenge to no Bounty Killer song. Or what you see them do something with Beenie Man Sim Simma. Like more time I want one half thing. Like one time somebody will do Sim Simma challenge with Beenie Man and then you know hear back from him. But Vybz Kartel constant. Every swipe you swipe, Vybz Kartel always over TikTok, music or conversation or live. The whole of them man I see them something and one piece side, they want to know what it feel like all along. A Vybz Kartel alone them see I do it. So finally now them name them an algorithm. Them a enjoy this. Them love it. Them crave it. So Bounty Killer I go always keep him name in the algorithm right now. Because him a enjoy it because this is his personality. You see me? Think about it, bro. Go over TikTok right now. You must see somebody else say something about Vybz Kartel or one song them a react to. Remember, Vybz Kartel name in a title every day is not Vybz Kartel a force it upon the people, you know. That just naturally, you know, people just naturally talk about the G, you know. But you have to put on a name, side of Vybz Kartel, for a name in a title. You can't just do something off on your own. Being Man named in a title because of Vybz Kartel. Masicka named in a title every day because of Vybz Kartel. Alkaline been him created. Alkaline create the thing, they put a name beside of Vybz Kartel and named in a title. Yeah, but people, if I real talk me I make, drop a real talk in the comment section. Like the video if I real talk me I make. Subscribe to the channel if I real talk me I make. And you see me? And if you can afford it, the link to the PayPal me I go pin it in the comment. Drop a dog food if I real talk me I make. You see me? I'm DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
Real Talk.